Cody Stepp here. I'd like to welcome you to my platform, the Systems Accelerator Manager. Now, we affectionately call it SAM. Hopefully by the end of our time together, you will too. Now, I'm thrilled that I get to guide you over the next 14 days as we look over the AI system that's already replacing real estate CRMs for agents and teams just like you. But unlike we've done in the past, and a lot of legacy platforms tend to do, looking way too much over features, we're just going to skip straight into the results section. I hope you don't mind. What this is going to do is it's going to help you envision what SAM is all about and what it could actually do for your business. Now, to do this, I sat down and I looked over feedback, use, and emails from hundreds of past trialers over the last several months. Real estate tech legend Mark Stepp and I sat down and we handpicked the 7 most critical tasks our most successful teams have accomplished first to build that winning foundation inside of SAM. So I am personally challenging you right here, right now, to spend the next 5 days working diligently to earn something truly special. 2 one-on-one coaching sessions with Mark. Now, during these sessions, you are going to get access to 3 decades worth of knowledge and experience from a man who's coached tens of thousands of real estate agents and teams into building successful businesses using software. Plus, he's built 2 of the most used real estate CRMs over the last 3 decades. So he kind of knows what he's talking about. Now, normally we would charge $800 for this, but this is yours completely free when you complete all 7 tasks over the next 5 days, starting now. But before you get super stressed out or think, oh gosh, this is just some sales gimmick, they don't actually give these away. That's not the case. These are actually super quick to do because I have a little secret for you. We want you to win. We want you to win for several different reasons. The first one being Mark loves working with real estate agents and teams to help connect the dots into building success into your real estate business. Plus, I know that when I get you into the room with him, it's one of the easiest ways for us to prove that SAM is the right tool and we are the right team to help you do just that. Now, to make sure this was fair, I sat down with a brand new, from scratch, never used, started that moment SAM account, just like you've got right now. And I did all 7 tasks as fast as I possibly could. Now, you get 5 days to be able to accomplish all these tasks, but I was able to do it in 17 minutes. So that tells me these are super easy. You could either do it in one fell swoop or in a couple of sprints, but either way you decide to chunk it up, you can be successful. Now, while I was doing all of this research, I learned that about 80% of my top teams actually completed what ended up being task 1, importing their contact database. When they did that, they went on to become long-term successful users of SAM. I love having long-term successful users, and I want that for you too. So I put together a special offer to make this happen. The real question is, would you like help completing task 1 right now? Well, when you subscribe within the first 24 hours of this trial, I'll throw in what we're calling our fast action bonus. This bonus comes with a $295 concierge support setup that includes a one-on-one meeting with Mark and I to answer all your questions, help you learn all about SAM, and get that contact database into the system. All of this, plus I'm going to throw in the SAM Foundations Guide for free, just for taking the fast action bonus. Now, this is truly the shortcut to completing and crushing this challenge. And it gets you 1 task closer to those 2 free one-on-one sessions with Mark. All you have to do is click the button down below on the bottom of this email and follow the instructions, complete the order form, and boom, you're subscribed to SAM and you're well on your way. But if you are kind of like me and you say, Cody, at least let me look around the platform first. Well, totally get it. No problem at all. I built a dedicated website for you to watch how-to videos, as well as read step-by-step guides for how to complete each and every task. Or you can just look at the quick hits guide immediately to the right of each one of those videos to complete each and every one of those tasks. As soon as you finish a task, the next task will be emailed to you automatically using the routines automations that you're about to learn all about. That means that you don't have to wait till tomorrow for your next task. You can just get going and you can do them all real quick, just like I did. But the challenge has officially begun, and you have some options on your hand. Either A, you can claim that fast action bonus. Then you'll get to work directly with Mark and I to get task 1 completed. You're well on your way into getting the other 6 done and earning this Copilot Lite. Or you can go ahead and hop over to the guides, complete task 1, move on to task 2 with the rest of them, and still earn the Copilot Lite. But either way, reply to this email with any successes or any snags that you end up. I read all of them. I'm super excited to have you taking a look at SAM and actually working inside the platform. We're going to build something truly exceptional, and we're going to do it over the next 14 days inside of SAM. I'll see you inside.